Okay, what I can tell you is that this is a Zeiss Icon by Assa Abloy. What I can't guarantee is that it's an sk6. I ordered an sk6. I got it used off of eBay, so I mean, you just never know. But as far as I know, the sk6s have trap pins. So when you pick it and you go to spin the core, they engage. Then you have to pick them. This lock does not have that, so it might be an older model, but this is the key, and this is the bitting. So to try to get into this, I'm going to use my covert instruments pry bar in 25 thousandths in the top of the keyway. And I'm going to use my covert instruments standard hook in 20 thousandths. So I'm going to pick off of the side here where the warding affords you the opportunity to do so. Going in. I didn't really feel anything on one. A little something on two. A little something on three. Click out of 4. It might have been 4 or 5. But then I'm going to switch to this Jimmy Longs. Alright, a little click. Switch back to my covert instruments and go back to the beginning. 3, 4, 5. Nothing on 1. Grab that Jimmy Longs again and go back and check the back. There we go. All I had to do was lift up number 6. Okay, so damn it. Right in here, the trap pin should engage. I'm going to just stick this in here. And I'm going to bring it all the way around so you can see it. Bring it back to locked. So yeah, so I can tell you this is a Zeiss Icon by Assa Abloy, but I can't guarantee that it's an sk6.